Hello everybody. So in our first mini hair tutorial, I will be showing you all how to do a fishtail braid. In my most recent style, I did a French braid into a fishtail braid, but the fishtail braid was one of the easier things to record, so I'm showing it to you first. So fishtail braid, you take two pieces of hair. Doesn't matter what side, doesn't matter where, how you do it. You just need two sections or two legs. And what you'll do is you'll take a piece from one side and bring it to the center of the other side. Then you'll take a piece from the other side and bring it to the center of the other side. So simply put, you take a piece from the outside, bring it to the center. Take another piece from the outside, bring it to the center. Outside, center, outside, center, outside, center. Only two legs, so always keep that in mind. You're only gonna have two legs the whole time. You want to try to keep your stitches pretty even in size, but sometimes I mess up with this. It doesn't make that big of a difference unless we're talking about a gargantuan piece in comparison to a really fine piece, but try your best to keep them fairly even and equal. So as you can see, as you get a hang of it, all you gotta do is stick a finger in, bring it over. Stick the other finger in, bring it over. Stick a finger in, bring it over. It really gets pretty simple, or simpler the further you go down the hair. Stick a finger in, bring it over. Stick a finger in, bring it over. But yeah, that's how you do a fishtail braid, guys. Outside center, outside center. So yeah, that's all. That's how this goes. Comment down below what you want to see next. Share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.